Hey there! In today's video, we are going to learn how to work in a collaborative way in Terraform. So basically, we are working until this moment in a standalone way. And how is that even possible if we are uplifting platforms into the cloud? Well, how can you invite someone to work with you? Let's remember something right now. We have something called the Terraform.tfstate, and you need to work with this file updated. Every time you run a Terraform plan or a Terraform apply or destroy or anything, it's going to do a refresh on your TF state before it can make any changes into your platform. So imagine you ask for a friend to review and update your code, and at the same time you are updating it too. So how can you be sure that one of you are not breaking the TF state by messing it on the same time? Well, the solution is quite simple actually. Well, just put the TF state on the cloud, as you can change it at the same time, right? Okay, so how can we do that? The way we can do that is pretty simple. We call it on the Terraform block. What is a block actually? It's everything that is on inside of a pair of curly brackets. So here we have these curly brackets here of Terraform, and inside of the Terraform block we create another block called Backend. And inside Backend we are going to call whatever we are going to need. And at this moment, the backend that we need is from Azure Resource Manager. If you were working on AWS to create the Terraform TF state, you would call the S3 from S3 buckets. But we are using Azure Resource Manager. And okay, now we have some parameters that we need, and the classic parameters from Azure are resource group name and storage account name and container and etc. So let's create the first one, which is the resource group name. But this is for our backend of our TF state. And here I want you to understand something. We can have a resource group in the storage only for our TF state. And we can have a TF state for each project that we work on. So I can have a TF state for this Terraform course, I can have a TF state for my learnings, I can have a TF state for my personal projects, and so on. So I created a resource group name for this here to show you guys, and this is called my name's Lira slash dash hyphen TF state, and let's do that. Lira state. The storage account name is basically that with TF state. The container name I didn't remember actually. It's TF course, and let's make it prettier. Oops. And the last one, but very, very important for you to understand, is the key. The key is not a secret. It's not a secret key here. It's not something that you should worry a lot. It's the name of the terraform.tfstate file on the cloud. So we can create something that's going to be easy for anyone to um, understand what this file is for. So this is Terraform course.tfstate. Simple as that. And basically our backend is configured. But this should have been done on the beginning of the project here, because as you know, the TF state needs to be updated every single step of the project. And how am I supposed to create an empty TF state? And how can I expect this to have no errors, right? So this is going to have errors when I use the, well, when I use the TF plan. So let's use the TF plan here to see what's the error that I'm having here. The error that I'm having here is basically saying that I need to initialize again the TF state so I can put everything that I have on my TF state local file into the cloud, so the cloud recognizes what is that I have on my platform. So let's do the Terraform init. The problem here is basically saying the backend, you need to always read the error, because what's the error saying to us? The backend configuration changed. Of course, the backend is empty. My local file is not empty. So a change in the backend configuration has been detected, which may require migrating existing state. So basically it's saying you can do a migrate state, or you can run the Terraform init reconfigure. So I'm going to run the Terraform init reconfigure to take my configuration from my local machine and put it on the cloud. And the moment that I'm putting it, my file is going to be updated into the cloud. That's it. So this here is a question that the Terraform is making to me. Basically, let's read together here. Do you want to copy existing state to the new backend? Blah 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 blah. Enter yes to copy and no to start with an empty state. Yes, of course I want to continue with the copy of my state. And with this, I'm now using only my Terraform course.tfstate. Now I can actually use the Terraform plan, and when I'm going to use this Terraform plan, what's going to be the result? Nothing has changed. I didn't create anything, I didn't delete anything, I didn't change anything. I only took my terraform.tfstate and put it into the cloud, and now every step that I'm going to use here to create anything is going to be changed into the terraform.tfstate on the cloud. Actually, Terraform course.tfstate. We can name it whatever we want to. So let's see if there is no change, because I'm not lying to you. We expected that. And let's see if everything is perfect here. This Terraform plan is taken forward forever and ever, but as we expected, there are no changes. My infrastructure matches the configuration. And here is the magic. Look, my infrastructure matches the configuration. Look at my Terraform.tfstate. It's empty. How can my infrastructure be matching the configuration if my Terraform.tfstate is empty now? Well, my friends, it's because my infrastructure is on the Terraform course.tfstate. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this class, and I see you on the next video. And thanks you. Please hit a like and subscribe, and see you. Bye bye.